This video is here for you to explain every green warning light symbol on dashboard in a car. Green vehicle warning lights are for information only. You don't need to be concerned when these illuminate, as they are just indicating that something is working on. So, let's start with cruise control. This light means that the cruise control system is activated. Typically, the cruise control light will be orange when the system is on, but a speed hasn't been chosen yet. Once a speed is selected, this light will turn green. Some common faults that cause this light to stay illuminated include a blown fuse, faulty brake switch, or malfunctioning speed sensor. Press brake pedal green warning light. This light will only apply to vehicles that are fitted with an automatic transmission. The brake pedal will need to be pressed and held while the gear lever is moved out of the park position. Lane assist green warning light. This light is indicated when the lane assist system is switched on and road markings can be detected. This feature uses a forward-looking camera that's mounted behind your vehicle's windshield, in front of the inside rearview mirror. It works when you are driving in forward gear. This feature can be turned on or off using the lane keep assist button. Adaptive cruise control warning light. This light is to indicate to show that the ACC cruise control and speed limiter are active. If the warning lights start flashing, you have exceeded your maximum speed set on the limiter and should therefore reduce your speed. Indicator indicates direction of indicator, left or right, sometimes called direction indicator or blinkers. Advice: use indicators to signal intended change of direction. Ensure indicators are left on once maneuver complete as not to confuse other road users. Interior light indicates that the vehicle's interior lights are on. Advice: ensure interior lights are switched off when not required to avoid a flat battery. Charging indicates that the vehicle is connected to electrical charging station. Advice: disconnect electric charging when required. Car key indicates the vehicle key is in the ignition. Advice: remove the key from ignition when leaving or locking the car. Side lights indicates that the side lights are on. Advice: use the appropriate headlight setting for the condition. Auto park brake indicates the vehicle's automatic park brake is in operation. Advice: continue to drive as normal and the brake will automatically release when required. Fog light indicates the fog lights are on. Advice: ensure fog lights are switched off when conditions improve, as fog lights can dazzle other road users. Parking sensor indicates the parking sensor, front or rear, is in operation. Advice: take note of parking sensor frequency to avoid collision when parking or reversing. A solid tone means the proximity to an external object is critical. Eco mode indicates the vehicle is in eco mode. Advice: no action is required, it's just information for you. Shift light indicates the recommended gear shift to optimize fuel economy. Advice: shift gear either up or down, as directed where appropriate conditions permit. Start and stop green warning light. Indicator light turns on to inform the driver that intelligent stop and start system is active and the engine has been shut down. Fan indicator light means that the internal ventilation or fan is in operation. Auto high beam green warning light. Indicator light means the auto high beam system has switched on high beam headlights. Low beam indicator green warning light. Indicator light means that the vehicle's dip beam is on. So these are all green warning lights on dashboard in a car that are important for you. If you are bothered by a green warning light that I didn't mention, please write me in the comments below the video and I will be happy to advise you.